going on? It's your boy Tony Picasso from Tony Picasso Fitness. And in this video, I'm gonna tell you guys how to get buff fast, even though you can't do them hard body exercises. For those of you that don't know, if you haven't watched my other videos in the past, the best ways that I recommend for you to get big is to do your pull-ups, do your push-ups, do your dips, your squats, and your sit-up. Those are the best movements, in my opinion, to get brolic fast. Now, I did get some feedback, and I did get some people hit me up and tell me like, yo, bro, so I'm looking to work out, I'm looking to get fit, but I can't do them hard body exercises yet. You know, them exercises is too hard for me. You know, I'm just starting off, or, you know, I haven't been in the gym in a long time. So me doing pull-ups and push-ups and dips, like those is kind of hard for me to do right now. So what else can I do to get up fast? What else can I do if I can't do those exercises? And I'm here to tell you today that I got you. I definitely got you. So I'm gonna give you guys 5 variation exercises that you guys could do to replace those exercises. If you're not strong enough to handle your own body weight, then I recommend going to a gym, because that way you could control the amount of weight that you're lifting. So number 1, the variation for pull-ups is gonna be lat pull-downs or working out at the pull-up station. So lat pull-downs is basically you on a machine that's allowing you to reach up, grab a bar, and pull the bar down to you. The good thing about doing the lat pull-down on a machine is that you're able to adjust the weight. So your body weight, say you weigh 150 pounds and you're not able to lift yourself up yet, then you know you could do the weighted machine. That way you could use a weight that works best for you. I also recommended the pull-up station, because the pull-up station is actually regular pull-up bars, but there's a weight underneath you that assists you up. So pull-ups, I recommend lat pull-downs or the pull-up station. The replacement for dips is gonna be tricep push-downs and skull crushers. This exercise is gonna target your triceps, and you get to control the weight, and it's gonna allow you to use a weight for the best resistance that works for you. Push-ups, the replacement for push-ups is gonna be the chest press machine or the bench press. It's gonna target your chest and your triceps. The same thing that push-ups do, but instead of it being body weight, you get to choose your resistance. Replacement for sit-ups, it's gonna be the ab machine. The ab machine is gonna allow you to grip the bars ahead of you and squeeze down. Squeeze down, and you get to adjust the weight to what works for you. The replacement for squats is gonna be the seated leg press. The seated leg press works multiple muscles in your legs, and you will be able to adjust the weight to what works for you. So those are my 5 variation exercises that you guys could do to replace the 5 compound body weight movements and still get the benefits. Only difference is you're using your body and then you're using a machine. Targets the same muscles. Let's go out there and get